When an outage occurs, everyone wants to know what's happening. Welcome to CUC's Plugged In, where you get an inside scoop of what happens when an outage occurs and how CUC works to restore our power safely and efficiently. We're here with CUC's Transmission and Distribution Manager, Robert Worms. How are you today, Robert?
I'm good, Shameka. The sun is shining and the power is on.
Yes, that's what we love to hear. Although, it says we do have some times when we experience outages, and that's what we're here to talk about.
Right, so outages are caused for a number of reasons, but of course we take pride in doing our very best to keep the power reliable for our customers. Just to tell you a bit about the causes of the outages, it could be anywhere from adverse weather, lightning, vegetation contact, animal contact such as iguanas, snakes, frogs, and even motor vehicle accidents, which has been on the rise in the last few years.
Wow, that's quite a bit to protect the grid, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it's a great responsibility we have. The CUC takes pride in being a utility that believes in continuous improvement, and we invest heavily in keeping our standards to the best industry practices. We also feel very good about the support we give in restoring outages as quickly, efficiently, and safely as possible.
Wow, I like that. Well, thank you for your time, Robert.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.
Keep up the amazing work.
Now that we've covered how outages occur, we're going to speak with Gary Whitaker, Superintendent of Lines Transmission and Distribution Operations Department, to learn how power is restored.
So, we were just discussing, what outages, how outages occur. But I think everyone wants to know when an outage occurs, how is it restored? Can you give us a little overview as to how that happens?
Okay, we have a call-out crew. Most calls go to the control room, and we have guys that are on duty 24 hours a day, so 7 days a week, rain or shine, we call. The call goes to the control room. They dispatch the call-out crew. And some cases, once they're dispatched, we know exactly where the fault is. Like in cases of motor vehicle accidents, we get a call from 911. In some cases, customers report hearing a loud bang or seeing something. We also have equipment on the line that can assist us with downsizing the location of the faults. So once the crew gets there and they find the fault, in some cases, we may have to isolate the line to protect the public, protect the workers. So once that is done, we get in a group, we come up with a job plan, we assess the situation, and we do a job plan, we discuss how we're going to do the job, we identify all the hazards, how we're going to control them, how we are going to eliminate them. Once that is done, we have it on the job plan is written, we all sign off on the job plan. Once the job is started, in case something happens that we overlooked and we have to change from how we originally planned, we stop, regroup, we discuss it, and we make changes to the job plan, and then we proceed again. Once that is finished and the job is done completely, then that's it. But we also like to ensure that safety is number one priority.
Absolutely. That's a lot. It sounds like a lot. So clearly it's not by, as easy as flicking on a switch.
Unfortunately, it's not. But we have some of the best guys that assist in keeping the lights on and restore power in outages. And CUC prides itself on reliability. We're the best in the Caribbean region.
That's great to know. So just please, work safely, be safe and keep the lights on. And I hope that I speak for everyone when I say that we do appreciate the hard work.
Thank you.
Thanks. They tell me that this is the heartbeat of the company, and right now we're in the control room, and joining me is the Vice President of Operations, Mr. David Watler. How are you today? Thanks for being with us.
Excellent. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I see you've already gotten a tour today.
Yes, I did actually. It was with Mr. Gary and Mr. Robert.
Excellent. What did you learn from the team?
It was a lot, and they gave me insight on the outages, the causes of outages, and the restoration process. And I just wanted to find out if there were to be an outage by a vehicle accident, or say an iguana was to go into one of your equipments, how does it work? How does that work in the control room?
Good question. Basically, we rely on our customers to call in to report outages.
Okay.
Our system also has the ability to detect outages.
Okay.
And when we get a call in or outage detected, the control operator sitting behind me here dispatches a crew right away. They go to the scene to take a look to find out what caused the outage.
Okay.
And if it can be isolated to a small area to provide the power back to the other customers, they go ahead and do so they can conduct repairs. And then the customers that have called in are called back to notify them of the outage.
Now I know you're focused on the level of reliability that you offer your customers. What are some of your plans?
Although we're one of the most reliable utilities in the Caribbean, that's not enough for our customers. Our customers want more. They want US levels of reliability. So to achieve this, last year the company started its Reliability 2.0 program, which aims at reducing outages in half, cutting outages in half.
Okay.
To achieve this, the company's invested heavily in its facilities. Last year, we installed a new 40 megawatt state-of-the-art generating facility.
Okay.
We're upgrading this control room center. We have a project to upgrade all the power lines throughout the whole island and install new substations in the West Bay and Prospect areas. Over the next 4 years, we will have a smart grid that's robust and meets North American reliability levels.
Wow, sounds like a lot is happening here at CUC, and sounds like we're in really good hands.
Yep, it sure is.
Wow, so well, thank you for catching up with us and giving us the insight on operations here at CUC.
Thank you for visiting us.
Thank you for having us.
Okay.
Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for checking out CUC's Plugged In. There are much more insights to catch in episodes to come. Like and follow the CUC social media pages to keep informed, catch giveaway opportunities, and learn more about the company that provides you with the power.
If you have any information that you would like to know about the company, send us a message. You never know, your question may be on our next episode. Till then, stay plugged in.